This segment is sponsored by Norris Accounting. Well, it's time to start getting ready for tax season. Yes, already. Our good friend Dion Norris, the president and CEO of Norris Accounting, is back with us here on Good Morning Washington. Wonderful to see you.
Wonderful to see you as well.
And you always bring such useful and important information for our viewers. And we're going to go through a lot of stuff right now. And there's a reason we're talking about tax season in December. But let's talk about some of those deadlines that are coming up.
Yes. So it is December. Most people think about tax season just, January through April. But there are a lot of important deadlines coming up for both business owners and individuals towards the end of January. So we just want to get out there in the forefront to let people know these deadlines are coming up and to contact us for more information.
I feel like nobody except people in your business plan ahead for tax season.
Yes.
We all wait till the last minute. So it's a little bit of planning ahead. What are some common mistakes that we make when filing our taxes?
Yeah, so probably the most common mistake that we see is people rushing to get their taxes done and not having all the appropriate paperwork. And this leads to problems down the line when you didn't report all your income, or you might have forgotten about something and get a notice from the IRS. So we definitely want to tell people to calm down and make sure you have all your documents before we file your taxes.
And there have been, every year there's changes. Something's added, something's taken out, but there's some stuff that's changed this year which could make a big difference for a lot of people. Yeah,
so two of the biggest things are the 1099K. There was a debate in the news about $600 threshold, and this would have affected a lot of your delivery drivers who are doing things on the side. So that was pushed back a full year, so you don't have to worry about that this year. And then the threshold was raised from $600 to $5,000, so it should still not affect a lot of people going forward. One of the other important things that maybe not a lot of business owners know about is there is a requirement starting January 1st. If you are a business that's already in existence, you have to file paperwork with the Treasury Department specifying who is the actual owner of your business. Then if you are a new business after January 1st, you have to file within 30 days, and this can lead to fines if it's not appropriately filed.
Well, this is all important information, again, that you help people through. And if there's anything we're talking about during the segment here today, please call and continue the conversation because there are people standing by to take your call right now and answer those questions.
Yes, there are.
So let's talk a little bit about planning and getting organized when it comes to our tax documents, what we need to do ahead of time.
Yes, taxes are a year-round venture. So the biggest advice that we have is to make sure as you're getting these documents throughout the course of the year, you set them aside somewhere. And what we use is we use technology to help our clients actually gather that information. So we ask them certain questions, and when we send out our organizers to them, that is allowing them to better understand what documents that we need from them.
And when you are looking for someone to do your taxes, you should be looking for someone, obviously we all want the maximum return, but minimal liability is so important as well, and that's where the experts really come in.
Yes, and that is something that we work on year round. It is very, very hard to maximize someone's return and minimize their liability during tax season. It takes time and effort in our tax planning service that we offer.
All right, we were just saying, let's continue the conversation right now. How can people get a hold of you? And if they have more questions after watching this, what should they do? Yeah,
please reach out to us. You can give us an email, go to our website. Someone is always standing by to respond to your call, and we always respond to email as well.
And I'm not letting you leave without pointing out that you've got the most beautiful office in National Harbor with the best views.
Yes, the Potomac River is nice this time of year.
It doesn't get any better than that. So you go drop your tax documents off, you get some good views. Dion, always great to see you.
Good to see you as well.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you.